Hello class, this is Dr. Scott again. I'm sorry that the last video cut off. I have a 15-minute maximum on these free screencast videos. So we just got the problem set up in the last video. And I'll read it again in case it's been a few minutes since you watched the last one. 1-year Treasury bills currently earn 3.75%, which is our 1R1, 3.75%. You expect that 1 year from now, 1-year Treasury bill rates will increase to 3.95%. 3.95%. The liquidity premium on 2-year securities is 0.08%. So 0.08%. If the liquidity, wow, I go years with no Facebook messaging, and here we go. If the liquidity theory is correct, what should the current rate be on 2-year Treasury securities? Round your answer to 2 decimal places. And we do this exactly the same way, except that we did the unbiased expectations theory questions, except that we factor the liquidity premium, we add it to year 2. And I'll show you what I mean. So we start off with an equal sign because we're going to be asking Excel to do math for us. We open our main parentheses. We open our minor parentheses to say 1 plus 1R1, which is B, I need to move this, B, is that 3? B3, yep. Close parentheses times open parentheses, 1 plus B4, because we want our 2R1, plus our liquidity premium, which is B5, close that parentheses, close the main parentheses, and we're going to figure this to the power of 1 over 2 because we have 2 years. So parentheses 1 over 2, close parentheses, minus 1 equals 3.89%. So I know these are quick. They're really not that complicated. Again, remember when you do your homework, it's not necessarily, if you don't type your cells in the same place that I did, you're not going to do the same cell references. You'll do whatever cell references are applicable to your worksheet. And call me if you have questions.